We all have arrived in the town of Oviedo. This isn't the Hilton, and there's no Mickey Mouse. The lake is alive with rainy amoebas. All meadows and lizards and hills full of ants.
I'm so excited about being here, but I'm nervous too. I mean, the last time I went to CD1 was 2002, and I don't really remember anything. I know she's got some freaky stuff going on. I know. I'm always changing everything. What's the thing? I don't get it. I'm so nervous.
How do I solve a problem with frustration? What do I do when I am feeling sad? How do I stay calm when I am angry? I stomp my foot, I drink some wine, I cry a lot. How do I solve a problem when I'm anxious?
What do I do when I am scared to death?
When someone moves my chair, it's supposed to be over there. How can I get the world to understand?
Oh, how do I solve a problem with my feelings? How do I hold my feelings in my hand?
Oh, yeah. Well, you know, this may be helpful to use to reflect on what you've been thinking about.
What is wrong with you? What do you expect? I'm the middle child of two.
I am right and you are wrong. Look at my point of view.
You see it my way or hit the highway.
Stop telling me what to do.
I am right, no, I am wrong. What is my point of view?
They say wish her well, I say go to hell.
How do I trust myself?
Sisters, 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 this is not a phase.
It's a red flag.
Accept the moment. Be willing to be seen. Give what you want to others, and you will reach your dreams. All right, let's try.
Breathing and stretching and eating the chocolate. Circles and structures and I love you rituals. Jumping off tall poles and facing our fears. These we'll remember for many, many years. Oxytocin, silly straws, holding someone else's balls. These are a few of my CD2 things that I will always recall. 10-minute talks with the 3-minute warning. Eating the breakfast together each morning. And poster sessions, warm weather to feel. Becky is here to help us keep it real. Oxytocin, silly straws, holding someone else's balls. These are a few of my CD2 things that I will always recall.
Yes, you got it. You've got to reframe it, rename it, and tame it, and claim it, and gazame it.
Oh.
3 minutes.
Oh. 1, I am overwhelmed.
2, I can calm and breathe.
a star, a pretzel, or balloon, then I can begin to feel.
3, I keep my feelings safe. 4, I make a helpful choice. Carry connections or some cream. And now I'm prepared to solve. I am, I come, I feel, I choose, I solve.
Yes, sisters, that's it. If we do all this, then we can
accept the moment. Be willing to receive.
You can do this.
Give what you want.